Well, so much for the snowstorm, or all snow was supposed to get. We never got much. Little drift here and little drift there. A lot of wind. That's about it. That's all. There's nothing to it. No snow. You can see. A little bit of snow here. That's going to be garage. Oh, that's about it. Never got what we're supposed to get. That's all the snow we got. Oh, not much to it. That's about all the snow we got there. And not very much. So not very much snow. Now I gotta clean the bed there. So Jeremy and Steve, no snow. Let's give a shout out to Ducks Bills and Go Pens Go and Red Guy in the Grey. Go visit their channels, they got awesome sites. But this is about all the snow we got.